In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a bill in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, how to find the bill you want, and how to remove it safely and confidently. Start on your Xero dashboard. From here, look along the top navigation and head to Purchases. This is where all your supplier activity lives, including bills you're working on and bills that have been processed. Opening Purchases keeps everything in one place and makes it easy to spot the record you want to remove. Next, choose Bills. This takes you to the main bills list, where you can view your bills by status and quickly narrow down what you need. Since we're deleting, focus on the draft section. Deleting is only available for draft bills because drafts haven't been approved or paid yet. If you don't see the bill you're after, double check that you're on the draft tab. Approved or paid bills won't appear here for deletion. It's also worth noting that deleting removes the draft entirely, so it won't show up in reports or lists afterward. If you have a long list of drafts, use the search bar to zero in on the right one. Type a supplier name, a bill number, a reference, or even a keyword from the description. The search updates the list so you can spot the correct draft faster, which helps avoid deleting the wrong item. You can also refine the view with filters. Filters are helpful when you only remember parts of the bill, like a date range, a supplier, or an approximate amount. Narrowing the list by time period or contact is often the quickest way to isolate a single draft in a busy account. The goal here is clarity. Make sure you're looking at exactly the record you intend to remove. Once you've found the draft bill, look for the three dots beside it, sometimes labeled as More Options. This menu gives you additional actions for that specific bill. Click the three dots, then choose Delete. Deletion permanently removes the draft from your list. Take a quick moment to confirm you've selected the right record before you proceed, especially if multiple drafts look similar. If you're unsure, step back, search again, or open the draft to review details before returning to delete. That's it. You navigated to Purchases, opened bills, switched to draft, used search or filters to locate the exact bill, and removed it using the three-dot menu and delete. Keep this flow in mind whenever you need to tidy up drafts and maintain a clean, accurate bills list in Xero.